Bachelor Bulldogs, it's March Madness, and that means only one thing. It's tournament time. And we're giving you the opportunity to fill out a bracket at school to see if you can pick the next men's basketball national champion. Each student will get an email in their Gmail. In that email, there will be a PDF. There will be instructions 1 through 6. The first, you will click on the hyperlink. That hyperlink will bring you to this website. Down here it says Facebook or Google. You want to click Google. When choosing that, you will now sign into your Gmail account, your school Gmail account only. And after doing so, you will be brought to the website to where you will create your own bracket. You may choose a team because you know something about it, or you may choose a team because you like the color or the mascot of that team, and that's okay. When you come to this site, you will hit Next right away. Then you will choose your bracket name, and this is where you need to follow instructions. You will put your first name, your last name, and the grade you were in. After that, you will hit Finish and Save. Next, you will choose Create/Join Group. There, you will type in Bachelor MS. You will select Bachelor MS. Then you will click Join in the top right-hand corner. You will put in the password Bulldogs, BULLDOGS. Then you will see your name. You will click on your name, and up pops a bracket. And now it's your turn to select the next national champion, whether you like the mascot, the team color, or you know something about that team. Good luck to all.